welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to integrate Klarna for buy now and pay later on your store. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to integrate Klarna buy now and pay later on your store, you must sign up for a business account. So first of all, you need to install the appropriate Klarna app or plugin for your e-commerce platform like Shopify or WooCommerce. And then simply connect your Klarna account to your store by generating and entering API credentials. After activating Klarna in your platform's payment settings, you can display Klarna's payment option and messaging on your product. You can simply check out cart and checkout pages as well. So, if we're going to talk about it in depth, you need to first of all sign up, install the Klarna app, and then connect your account and get API credentials, activate Klarna as a payment method, and verify the integration and display messaging. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching. We will be back again really soon.